Guwahati Airport is the largest and the central airport for Assam. Most of the flights in and from Assam takes place from here. Most likely you're watching this video because you're trying to find a hotel which is close to the airport while you're transiting in Guwahati. There are a number of hotels in this area, and to save up some time of yours, we recommend you to watch this short video so that we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. We recommend you to look before you book because we've compiled the 10 best hotels in this area so that we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. All the hotels in this list are just about 5 to 10 minutes away from the airport, and also public transportation is extremely easily accessible. We have also included a special discounted rate for each and every hotel on this list, and you can also find the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Pemaling Lodge Eco in Guwahati. This is one of the most recommended, and it's also one of the closest hotels to the airport. This hotel is slightly more expensive, and it's also one of the most premium hotels in this area. The hotel is extremely well maintained. The staff here is very helpful and cooperative. They serve Indian cuisine at their in-house restaurant. You can also enjoy a continental buffet breakfast every morning at this hotel. The hotel provides you with super comfortable beds, very well maintained and hygienic rooms. This hotel has different categories of rooms available, and the pricing starts from around 3,500 rupees. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Collection O Jebis Inn. This hotel is a budget-friendly hotel which is located very close to the airport. They have an in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service. They also have an in-house bar where you can enjoy and relax. The rooms are extremely spacious and very well maintained. It is perfect for families with children as you require a much bigger space with kids. The pricing of the rooms are extremely reasonable, and they start from around 1,200 rupees. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Ashiana. The hotel is located in the city's most popular location, and it's very close to the airport. The hotel ensures that you have a very comfortable stay. It provides you with all the necessary services and facilities. This hotel has an in-house restaurant, a 24-hour front desk service, a 24-hour room service facility, and also express check-in and check-out services. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable. They start from around 1,500 rupees, and you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel VIP Regency. This is an extremely budget-friendly hotel which is located 1 kilometer away from the airport. This hotel is really good, and it's also recommended for a one-night stay if you're transiting in Guwahati. The hotel has a 24-hour room service facility, but it does not have a restaurant to dine in. All the rooms here are very spacious. They're also extremely colorful and bright. The rooms are very well equipped with all the necessary amenities for their guests. You have a flat screen TV, an AC, a wardrobe, and also a separate seating area with a desk. Pricing of the rooms are extremely reasonable. They're priced at around 1,000 rupees. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Kaneka Inn. This hotel is extremely close to the airport. The hotel provides with all the necessary facilities and amenities for their guests to make sure that you have a very memorable stay. The hotel has a 24-hour front desk, a 24-hour room service facility, and also an express check-in and check-out service. Unfortunately, this hotel does not have an in-house restaurant where you can dine in. The rooms here are slightly smaller than average room size. We recommend you to book this hotel only if you're a solo traveler and you do not have a lot of luggage. If you're traveling with family, you would require a larger space, and also you would be having more luggage. So this budget-friendly hotel is very well recommended for solo travelers. The pricing of the rooms here are around 1,400 rupees. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. If you love traveling, we are sure that our premium travel club will definitely help you. This travel club will provide you some special deals, promos, and also some exciting giveaways. Joining this club is 100% free. And by the way, do support us by clicking the like button, and also subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. We have the next 5 hotels coming up on the list. Nirvan Guest House. This hotel is a budget-friendly hotel which is located 1 kilometer away from the airport. This hotel is perfect for family as the rooms here are extremely spacious and also very comfortable. They also have family room options available. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your room itself. This hotel provides a 24-hour room service facility, but it does not have a restaurant where you can dine in. There are a lot of eatery options around the hotel itself. The rooms are extremely spacious and the beds are really soft and comfortable. They are also very well equipped with a flat screen TV, a separate seating area, a wardrobe, and also a desk. Pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable. They are priced at around 1,300 rupees. Shankar Jogi Para. This hotel is about 1 kilometer away from the airport, and it gives you a number of convenient transport options. There are a lot of tourist places which is around the hotel itself. The Jain Temple and the Chandubai Lake are all at a short distance. This hotel is perfect where you can just unwind and relax after a long, busy, tiring day. The beds here are extremely comfortable, and the rooms are also very spacious and well maintained. The pricing of the rooms here are around 1,500 rupees. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. DC Lodge. This hotel is about 2 kilometers away from the airport. It's an extremely value for money accommodation which makes sure that you have a very memorable stay. The hotel provides all the necessary facilities for their guests. They have a 24-hour front desk service and express check-in check-out service. They also have a 24-hour room service facility. Unfortunately, they do not have a restaurant where you can dine in. There are a lot of food options around the hotel itself, so you can enjoy those as well. The rooms here are very spacious, and we recommend you to book this hotel if you're traveling with your family to Guwahati. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable for the services that they're offering. The prices are around 1,000 rupees. You can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Mirana. This is a full-scale hotel which provides all the basic services and amenities for their guests to make sure that you have a very memorable stay. They have an in-house restaurant which provides amazing multi-cuisine delicacies. The rooms here are really big and they're very well maintained with a flat screen TV, AC, a separate seating area and also a desk. This is one of the most recommended hotels if you have a longer transit in Guwahati, as it provides you an extremely comfortable and pleasant stay. The pricing of the rooms here are around 1,500 rupees, and you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Sri Krishna Guest House. This is one of the most recommended hotels if you are on a budget. The hotel has an in-house restaurant. It provides a 24-hour room service facility. The rooms here are slightly larger than the other competitor hotels in the area. In case you're looking out for a budgeted accommodation which is close to the airport, which provides you all the necessary facilities and amenities, this is one of the hotels we definitely recommend. The pricing of the rooms here are around 2,000 rupees. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. If you could get a free stay, which of the hotels you would prefer, let us know in the comment section below. We've also provided you with other details regarding Guwahati, and that details can be viewed right here. We hope you have a safe and a pleasant stay in Guwahati. See you next time. Bye bye.